This is a 2018 Duramax. It's got 140,000 miles on it. I've never cleaned the mass airflow sensor. So that's the project today. I had the truck in for a regen issue where they cleaned the entire system about a year and a half ago. So I'm assuming they maybe cleaned it then. But here goes. Let's see what it looks like. It takes a 10 millimeter socket to get this off, if you haven't lost yours already. And it looks like it just comes right out. It's got an O-ring on it, so that's kind of holding it up a little bit. There it is. Yeah, I would say that it's due for a cleaning. It's got chunks falling out of it. Okay, I've got the camera set up over my trash can. I'm just using some mass airflow sensor cleaner that I picked up at the local parts store. And we'll just spray it out and see how it looks. There's some little holes down in here that I'm going to be cleaning out. Use the end of the nozzle maybe to get some of the bigger chunks out. Looks like it's a little bulb type thing right there that you have to be real careful with. This is all sensitive stuff. Kind of letting it soak a little bit, then hitting it again. This can of cleaner cost me about $9.50. So I don't know how many of these cleanings I can do. But as bad as this thing was, sure can't hurt for that amount of money. Really weren't any symptoms to the truck, but from some of the things that I've read online is this could possibly help my fuel mileage a little bit. Not that it's been real horrible, but hopefully this will help a little bit. Sure can't hurt as dirty as that thing was. Well, I don't know if you can see that stuff comes out of both of those holes when I spray it, so I'm assuming that it's cleared out. Really wasn't watching the camera earlier, so hopefully I got most of this on video, but it looks like just kind of keep spraying it a little at a time. It loosens up and then sprays off. So I think that's going to be good. So we'll see how that works. You can see some of the chunks that fell off of it when I pulled it out. And just push it right back in. Put the bolt back in that I didn't even drop down to no man's land. Not sure what the torque specs are on this, but I'm just going to snug it up good because it's got an O-ring that's actually sealing it. Plug my connector back in, push the tab back in place, and we should be ready to go. I'm going to start the truck up, and well, and hopefully my camera won't fall down because I got it mounted right here on the engine. So let's see how it goes. Well, hopefully I didn't do things up because it says service emission system. Take it off. Okay, either the sensor wasn't completely dried off from the cleaner that I put on it, or it wasn't making good connection when I first plugged it back in, because on the second startup there was no notice for emission system. So hopefully this takes care of some of my fuel mileage, maybe make it a little better. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.